Hello friends, have you ever heard of chickenpox or shingles? Very common disease. What happens in this? Patient gets rash and fever. This infection gets resolved, but the virus remains in the nerves. After some time or years after the infection, this virus becomes again active when patient immunity is lower. This is commonly seen in diabetic patients or any other patient in whom the immunity has gone down, like cancer patients. The disease which manifests now is called as herpes. In this also, patient gets rash. The problem with herpes is, even after the rash is resolved, pain remains. This pain can go on for next 2 to 3 years, and unfortunately, this is not very manageable with the help of medicines. So many a times patient complains of electric sensations or burning sensation in the area of infection. Most commonly, the areas which are involved are face, chest and back. Now, what is a good part of it? So we as pain physicians can offer better treatment not only in the form of medical management but some advanced treatments which are available, like nerve blocks and radiofrequency ablation. The problem with chronic pain is, if you ignore this for longer period of time, it becomes difficult to treat. Also, the treatment is ineffective. So if you know anyone suffering from post-herpetic neuralgia, definitely they can contact us to know more about the advanced treatment options. Take consultation today and make yourself better. Thank you.